Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually merge cells on your Microsoft Word document. So right now we have the name of this table above it, but let's say we want to add it within the table. So to do this, let's actually click on our name cell here. We'll right click, come over here to insert, and then let's do insert row above. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and put in applicant right here. We'll put applicant, I guess it's clear it's a table. We don't need to put the word table on there. And we can go ahead and maybe unbolden it. And now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and highlight this entire row here. Oops. Do you guys see Grammarly all over my screen? Get off my screen. Okay, so now we have the entire... Grammarly, you're driving me crazy. Okay, so we have the whole row selected. So now what we need to do is we need to come over here to table layout, and we can go ahead and select merge cells. So let's go ahead and select it. So select merge the selected cells into one cell. And now you see that it got rid of the little dividers that we had, and now applicant is the only thing that's here across all of these different columns that are below it. So right now it's clear that the name of this table is called applicant, and if we wanted to, we could change the color, we could center align it, but that is how you actually merge cells on Microsoft Word.